Hello, everybody. It is February 18th right now, 8:38 my time, and we're taking a look at Elrond. I think there's a couple interesting things here that I want to share with you and see what happens here. It looks like the price action has been consistently going down. Not until recently we started having that sideways action, which is a good sign. So clearly we've been kind of stuck in this downward channel, right? Parallel channel. And obviously, a couple of days ago here, we had that major retracement because of what happened, I guess, the quote unquote drop of Bitcoin. And everybody panics and it got bought up right away within, less than a 4 hour time frame here. But we did find that support at the 100 EMA, and we've been kind of going sideways. And one of the things that I guess were the most interesting was that the fact that we've been consistently going down, and then even here on this side on $160, we saw more aggressive resistance. Then we continued to drop back down, found our support again at the 100 EMA, and now we went back up and met this previous resistance that we had, right? So we kind of broke outside of that, and we're supposed to continually go down. We should have went down again at the 146, 150, but we didn't, and we broke above the 50 MA. And yeah, it just looks like right now we are breaking that pattern from a downtrend to a sideways action. And we're trying to see right now, is Elrond going to maintain, right? Are we going to maintain the upward direction? So we definitely find that support at the 100 EMA. We broke above the 50 EMA right here. Before this, we had an aggressive drop right after, right away, the next 4 hours. But with this one here, we broke above, found some sort of resistance, and then buyers came in still. And now we're trying to find that support right now at the 55 EMA and the 21 EMA. So, but where we are having those higher highs, higher lows as we move forward, right? And we're trying to see right now, are we going to have another higher low? Something like this right here is going to make Elrond look pretty interesting for us. If we find something like this over here and we try to retest this region again, then that's definitely gonna spike our interest. So this was going on right now. We need to see this continued higher lows. So something more like this, right, would be still interesting, where we obviously come down and try to find that support. And right now, maybe if we look at maybe at the 1 hour here, I know it's too much of a smaller time frame, but one thing that I saw was pretty interesting was the fact that we're obviously seeing that we crossed all of our EMAs comfortably, and now we're hovering right above it. It's been a while since we did that. Right over here, we obviously, we're still downtrending, but it's been a while since we actually did that, I would say since we started downtrending on February 9th, which is not really a while, but you get my point. 10 days ago, the most I guess significant thing right now we're seeing at the 1 hour, because we're very close to trying to find that support at the 4 hour over here, right? We're trying to find out, are we going to have a higher high on this? So we try to go at lower time frames to zoom in and try to see what's going on. And I think right now this candle is pretty interesting. Overall, we like seeing those hammer candles when when we go to areas of support, or possible support. We like to see those candles over here, because they're basically telling us, if I just zoom in a bit, it's basically telling us that, hey, sellers came in, and right at this support, they tried to went all the way back down here, and then buyers came in, pushed it all the way down here, because they thought, like, oh, you know what, this is a very good entry for me. I should be going up here, so I should be coming in. And then we drove it right up to the open price, and then not way past it, but we actually pushed past it all the way up. So that's what's happening right now in the 1 hour. We're struggling to find that right now, and the next couple hours he should be pretty telling for us on what's going to be reflected on the 4 hour, right? So we still have that 16 minutes for this to drop, for this to close, sorry, and we need to see those higher lows as we move forward. So even if we drop below the 55 EMA, but at least we maintain a higher low, then that's definitely something interesting. But I would like to see this higher low, definitely. I would like to see us retest this region again to try to knock it down again, right? Because every time we hit a resistance line here, we weaken it, and if we're maintaining higher lows as we go up, it's showing us that the buyers are more aggressive. And then right now, obviously, we're seeing that we're losing momentum on the 4-hour. And however, the RSI itself has been having those higher lows, right? So showing us the buyers are coming in. And same thing here on the 1-hour. We're seeing that, if we zoom out, we'll see that from back here, beginning of when we started, we had that panic drop, and it's been uptrending, right, in terms of strength. And we're seeing right now that the momentum in terms of the buyers, in terms of the sellers, sorry, has been, we went all the way down, and it looks like the sellers are being exhausted because we just kind of, from a parabolic movement, now we're going sideways where the looks like the buyers are pushing back up and trying to regain that momentum. So this is not saying that we're going to have an explosion happening, but it's pretty interesting how the price action is developing. And we could be at a pivotal point here where Elrond starts to have that uptrend. So let me know what you think in the comment section below so we can discuss it. And let me know if I missed anything here that you think is important. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you'd like to support us, please press the like button. Share the video. If you'd like to support us on Patreon, then definitely check the link in the description below. And yeah, stay tuned for our videos to come.